Good morning, Southern Fried Podcast fans. We appreciate your support this morning on Christmas Eve. I was thinking that if we could just arm Santa's sleigh with a few anti-aircraft missiles and a few other things, he could take care of the drones while he's flying around tonight. This will save us all a lot of worry as we lay down and get the kids down on this Christmas Eve. What about it, Santa? I think Rudolph could maybe not only have a red nose, but maybe be able to have a laser or something to take out some of the drone activity around the world, and especially here in the United States. We'll see. We'll check in with him tonight. We're having a special program, Santa Tracker 2024, the Southern Fried Podcast. Join us at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we've also going to reveal a few gifts that Santa's going to leave for a few folks around the country. They may or may not be happy with that. Hey, keep your laugh today. I know some people are really down today. It's hard, missing people, different things going on in your life. I understand that. Keep your chin up, praise Jesus, and pray for others. And as we do service for others and as we help others and encourage others, we'll encourage ourselves. Reach out to those today that may be sitting alone today and you haven't heard from them in a while, or you need to just check on them. They'll appreciate it. Even if they act like they don't, they really will. God bless. We'll see you tonight. Have a Merry Christmas, and we appreciate you here at the Southern Fried Podcast. Take care.